Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan garlic bread. You will need 1 loaf of French bread, about 18 inches long, 1/2 cup of softened vegan butter, 6 large cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, chopped. A little salt and pepper to taste can also enhance the flavors wonderfully. Gather these simple ingredients, and we can begin our delicious journey. Now, let's create our flavorful garlic herb butter, the heart of our dish. In a medium bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of softened vegan butter with the finely minced 6 cloves of garlic. Add the 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix these ingredients together thoroughly until everything is evenly combined, forming a fragrant, spreadable paste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit while you prepare the bread. Carefully slice your 18-inch baguette lengthwise, making sure not to cut completely through to keep the halves connected. Now, generously spread the fragrant garlic herb butter onto both cut surfaces of the bread. Place the buttered bread onto a baking sheet, then wrap it loosely in aluminum foil to lock in the moisture and flavor. Bake the foil-wrapped garlic bread for 15 minutes in your 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. After 15 minutes, carefully remove the aluminum foil and return the bread to the oven. Continue baking for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and perfectly crispy. Remove from the oven, let it cool for just a minute or two, then slice and serve this delightful vegan treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.